Hey everyone, I have something really exciting to show you today. It's the Sous Vide cooker. It's compact, yet very easy to use, and it's designed to reduce mistakes, so it makes cooking a breeze. The Sous Vide cooker is very easy to use. Part of the reason is because there's only 4 buttons on the top. It keeps things simple. It's built very strong, made out of stainless steel and high quality plastics. You can feel the solid design when you hold it in your hand. The clamp is very high quality, so it will never break, and it will never make your Sous Vide cooker fall or slide in any direction. While cooking, the cooker will remain at a consistent temperature. What does this thing cook? Well, just about anything. It's great for beef, pork, lamb, chicken, duck, seafood, vegetables, and even fruit. Its compact design makes it easy to clean and easy to store. To cook with your Sous Vide cooker, follow this simple process. First, fill your pot with water. Then, clip on your Sous Vide cooker onto the edge of the pot. While the water is heating up, marinate and season your meat, seafood, vegetables, or whatever you're cooking. Use your cooker with vacuum-packed food. That way, you keep all of the taste and all the nutrition. Once it's inside the bag, you can use your vacuum sealer to suck all of the air out of the bag. You place your food into the rack inside, which ensures that your food is always below the water. While your food is cooking, you can use an optional product, such as this, to place over the water to ensure that all the heat stays inside. After that, all you do is wait for your food to be cooked. With the Sous Vide cooker, you can make a luxury restaurant experience anywhere. The Sous Vide cooker comes in multiple versions. So, visit our website to see the details and specifications, and to get customer help. So what are you waiting for? Start eating healthier and better today with the Sous Vide cooker.